I think you'll enjoy this. I walked into this job, and I can't tell you who it is. We've got an NDA, but it's a company that makes frozen pancakes. So they have these conveyors, and I'm talking all over the place, and they have these cookie sheets, and they're squirting molten pancakes onto these cookie sheets, thousands of them, thousands and thousands of pancakes, and they're going through this oven and they're being heated. And as they're being heated, of course, they absorb heat and they begin to off gas moisture, right? And then they take these pancakes immediately off these conveyors into this giant spiral freezer rack that's being maintained at negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit. And this spiral rack's got to be 30 feet in diameter and 40 feet high. And these pancakes go around in a circle from top to bottom. And as they come from top to bottom, in theory, they're supposed to be freeze dried. Well, the problem is they're off gassing so much moisture that everything in the space over a week's period of time accumulates ice. The space isn't dehumidified properly. It's hitting its dew point temperature. The wheels are icing, the conveyor is icing, the sides of the walls are icing, the floor is icing. So once a week, they have to go in for a day on Friday. They shut the operation down completely, and they de-ice the spiral rack freezer room. And they go in with hoses and chisels and stuff, and a whole bunch of people get in there and they just spray this thing down to where it's totally ice free. Over the weekend, they chill it back down to negative 40, and on Monday, they start it up again. So I'm in there, and they wanted us to provide a system that could produce negative 50-degree dew point temperature air. So the air would absorb the moisture instead of the negative 40-degree surfaces condensing moisture. Makes sense, right? And I'm thinking to myself, this is going to cost a lot of money. I don't think they have any idea what it's going to cost. So I asked the guy in charge, I said, do you have any idea how much production profitability you lose by shutting down one day a week, every week of the year in lost production of pancakes? He goes, yeah, we know exactly how much. $13 million a year in lost production. Do you think they cared what my system cost? A couple $1 million to put in an installed desiccant dehumidification system to save $13 million a year. The payback was a couple months.